what we're gonna do today is a beat of capoeira. We're gonna show you some of the movements, all right? And I would like to share with you that we won't be able to go out loud. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So we won't be able to go out loud in our movement because of the floor. So say it first. I don't want to see any toes hanging on the side and other side. Beleza? But I need you to follow up with me with the music and with the energy. All right? Okay, so I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have to repeat with me. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
And 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
And 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Fantastic. Keep me better. Keep me better. So in Arabic, la means what? So la means what? No. Ability, no. But in Portuguese, la brings energy for capoeira. So I'm gonna say, oi la ela ela, oi la ela ela, oi la ela ela, see you're building up with now those guys. Oi la ela ela. That's something going on over there. And then I'm gonna finish another one. It's called the Paranae, the traditional one. Paranae, Paranae, Paraná, Paranae, Paranae, Paraná, Paranae, Paranae, Paraná. Beleza. Beleza means cool, okay? Let's build up this energy until Paranae. Then we'll stop. The DJ is gonna hit up the music. We're gonna do some movements for you guys. Just to remind you all, we're not gonna go all out because of the floor. Safety first, okay? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Olha a palma de cima, 1, 2, 3, a palma de cima. Olha a palma de cima, 1, 2, 3. Olha a palma de cima, 1, 2, 3. Olha a palma de cima, 1, 2, 3. Olha a palma de cima, olha a palma de cima. Today? Yeah. Salad. I'm sure you have some a little bit of technology. For technology, we need energy, right?
Yeah.
For performance too, we only have energy on this side. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This side, yes. Yes. You guys, yes. Yes. There's 5 people over here in there. Jesus Christ. I do not know what they are having, but they're cool. Beleza, let's go one more time. Now please, let's shout. Oi la la la, olele. Very good. You have to say olele only. Olele, 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 la la, olele, olele, la la, olele, olele,
forte é capoeira. Olha quebra geral, olha quebra geral, olha quebra geral, olha quebra vento forte, chavela, sabeira navegar, pescador que vai pra pesca, não tem hora. Olha quebra geral, olha quebra geral, olha quebra geral, quebra lá pro hoje, amanhã.
Okay, that was a little bit of capoeira. To finish our performance, I would like to ask everybody just to say capoeira. Very good. Just to say out loud, capoeira. Very good. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my team that took this journey, this project, with all the force from today. Obrigado! Thank you! Thank you for Jack. Thanks for the opportunity once again. We hope next year we're going to be back here. Now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. We need to wake up the neighbors of Marina.
Okay.
Exactly! That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Happy birthday. All right. 3, 2,